Aren't you guys curious about how do things and we people moving? Didn't you look for an answer? Did you already ask somebody who answered you right? By the way, I'm Junica Jane Angeles and this is my very first video presentation which tackles about motion, what is motion, and the things connected with it. And I'm hoping that after you watch it, you had not only enjoy and learn from it, but also you already have an answer for those questions you have in your mind. Have a good time watching. Thanks. Distance. It is the length of path traveled by a moving body. It is a scalar quantity and it has magnitude, but no direction. To get the total distance traveled by a body, we can use the formula distance is equal to speed multiplied by times, or in symbols, d is equal to s times t. Displacement is defined as a vector that points from an object initial position to its final position, and whose magnitude equals the distance separating the points. It has both magnitude and direction. Generally, we give directions. We use four geographical directions: north, south, east, and west. To get the net displacement of a body, add the individual displacement vectorally. The net displacement is the resultant of all the individual displacement. Speed is the measure of how fast something is moving. The formula for speed is equal to distance traveled over time of travel, or in symbol, s is equal to d over t. Instantaneous speed, the speed that something has at any one instant. It is the speed registered by the speedometer of a car. Average speed is the whole distance covered divided by the total time of travel. It does not indicate the different speeds and variations that may have taken place during shorter time of intervals. The formula for average speed is equal to distance covered over time of interval.